Hi, I'm coming to you live from Schneider Studios, and I'm getting very excited about the August 4th through the 6th Take Control of Your Painting workshop. And why am I excited? Because it will teach all the things that I wish I had learned in the beginning when I started out as an artist. How to modify shape, value, color, temperature, edge, or composition to make a better painting. We do not have to be slaves to the literal. So in this example, you can see that I modified the features so that they would have broken strokes and be more suggestive as a contrast to the smoothness of the skin. It was a conscious decision. As Bill Parks used to say, you're the artist, you're in charge of quality control. So if this sounds interesting, please join me in the workshop. You can DM me or send an email to william@schneiderart.com.